I love like feeling pretty, being a girl, you know, making myself look good, you know, like there's just nothing like it. Guys, I think this is the best my hair has ever looked. What? How I love being a woman.
Just be. Don't take it.
Hi loves, welcome back to my, I don't even know if this is a welcome back to my YouTube channel kind of situation, but I got a delivery and I wanted to make sure that I showed you guys. I also just received this package and I bought some items in the Zara sale. I will not be trying them on. I don't like to do try on hauls, but I can show you a few bits and bobs that I got. Maybe I should do this for TikTok, but it's honestly just a lot of basic. They sealed it. Oops. Yeah. Oh my god, I think these are so pretty. So this is one of the items I got. It's like a knitwear. I love knits and I love navy. It's perfect. I really love this. I also got this top. Everybody knows this top. I bought the fake one twice, and so now I just got the original thing in the right fabric, and I'm really happy. First off, this came really quick, really quick. I got this t-shirt. It looks white on camera, but it's actually an ecru shade. Very warm, very cute. Very good replacement for my white tees. I do need to get rid of them. I've also been into pink. A friend of mine said that this feels like it's white, but it's actually like a really baby pink soft tee. I got this because I saw it on my friend and I digged it, so I got it. I also got I got this in a medium, and as I'm looking at the waist right now, I feel like I kind of regret that. But we'll see. But it's really cute, really nice. It's a silk sateen skirt. I've started getting medium for my bottoms and, you know, my tops. This is actually what I'm excited about. I also did this looks so good. I really love this color. The brown pants, really cute, really nice fabric, really great and stuff. And then this is the final one. So you see, I just bought a bunch of basics and I spent about like 100 and something euros. These were not even expensive at all. Guys, I now wear a medium in Zara, especially for bottoms, not tops. For tops I still wear a small. I can't show you the legs, but it fits so nicely. These might actually be the prettiest pants I own, and I'm so happy. If you know me, you know I love pants. And this is actually the same thing, but in a different color and fabric. But I don't know if this would fit. We'll see. Even the skirt. How I love being a woman. London. I am in the bathroom of my hotel because I don't have a room ready and I'm running so late. I'm wearing BDK Impadia from Forever Mode. I have done my makeup and my dress is too short, so this is how I'm wearing it. I'm going to surprise my friend for one of her wedding festivities. She has no idea I'm in London. See you guys soon, okay?
Now this is my remedy, let the seas sway with me, we're getting my energy, let the seas sway with me, my remedy, let the seas sway with me, getting my energy, let the seas sway with me, I will try to hold on, treading water in this big storm now. Try to swim away, crash just like the
Morning guys, I want to show you the view from my room in this hotel. I'm obsessed.
Up in me
In London, have a day filled with walking.
to the future fearlessly, charging forward when I open my mouth. Though I'm
Hi guys, it's day one in London and let me do a quick outfit of the day. So my top is from Dialab, my skirt is from Melira Fits, my bag is from Malloy, my shoes are the Adidas Sambas, and yeah, okay, my jewelry, these are from Jewelers, these ones are Jewelers, this is from Rosefield, and yeah.
Period.
actually more than good, kinda great. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave.
Guys, we wanted to give Valerie real London. Now we're teaching her how to ride a bike.
Precious.
It's not me, it's Victor.
Please, okay.
No, guys, I said they're teaching Valerie how to ride a bike. Real London. Wait, why is it bending?
Don't stop that. Okay. Break. There's no breaking.
It's now you remember break. Valerie!
Hey guys, how is it going? I completely forgot to take my camera out yesterday, so I didn't vlog. And then today I have had the I don't even know, I'll just say the most interesting day. This wig I want to wear, I feel like it looks a bit stupid, like the bangs, and I didn't get like a straightener or anything. But I am heading out shortly, so come explore London with me. And then I am going to take my Polo Ralph Lauren sweater. I'm just gonna throw that. I look like a very old lady. And for bag, I'm wearing black shoes, but I think that I'm going to wear this bag actually. It fit everything I needed yesterday. I think it's perfect again for today. This is my look. I just hope I'm not cold, guys, because it's 20 degrees. So a Chanel Espadrilles, this is the look. I'm thinking if I should carry a tote bag so that I can fit my thing inside, fit my camera. Oh no, this one will work. So I just have to like hold it. Real cute. I look so pretty. And then oh, okay, so this is the look for real now. Yeah, I just have concealer under my eyes and a little bit of blush and lip oil in the curls. Okay, let's go guys. I'm so late. Yeah, I'm so late. I don't know, I feel like this wig was done weird. If something feels really weird about how this wig was styled, but it's okay. Let's go.
One eternity later.
I don't even know what day it is or what time it is, but it's been a few days in London now, and I hope I'm not doing too much of a bad job of vlogging. I'm doing like the best that I can do. Today we're wearing Kirka. Okay, so I wanted to do a quick unboxing. First off, I picked up this watch yesterday and it's so cute. I am literally obsessed with it. So tiny, beautiful. Okay, I got a package and I wanted to do like a quick unboxing. Oof. I need to make a video as well. So this is what this looks like. Ooh, this is real cute. Yeah. Oh. Okay, I'll come here. Guys, good morning. So we are off for today. I'll tell you where we're off to in a minute. Let's figure it out. Hi loves, good morning. So I am going to a Dominican hair salon to get my wig styled. For some reason, I thought I was better than everyone and decided to wash it after traveling, and now it looks crazy. And I know that you'll say that it doesn't look crazy, but it looks crazy to me. I like to have my hair done. So yeah, I'm on my way there. I feel so proud of myself because I'm in a neighborhood I've never been in, and I'm not worried, I'm not scared. Let me show you my outfit.
Have to put in any effort, don't have to improve because you're making all the rules, so it's a setup. Oh, it's really clever, convincing me out. There's no better, so the only option here is that a setup. Oh, it's a setup.
Guys, I think this is the best my hair has ever looked. What? Hi guys, good morning. God, I feel like I've done such a terrible job of vlogging in London, but I hope you bear with me. First off, I have never worn athleisure out. Like, that is not just my vibe. But today we're going to be doing just that. We are heading out. We have an appointment to update some of our rings, and we might also be getting a new piercing. I don't know, we'll see how we feel about that. Also guys, I kind of want to like slightly Nigerianize my accent a bit more. I don't know why. Actually, this shouldn't make it in the vlog, because I think that maybe because I watch a lot of Disney Channel, the way I sound sometimes just, you know, fluctuates. But that's by the way. Anywho, let me show you guys my outfit. Okay, so the jacket is Osanko. Guys, Lululemon has nothing on this. The leggings is from another brand, and the, you know, thing is also from Osanko. But yeah, I really like this wig. I was going to change the bangs, but I don't know, like, I don't know. Let's see, let me get back to Lagos and see what it's saying. But honestly, this hair has held up pretty good for how much it cost. I'm not even gonna lie. I wanted to change it, but I think I should keep it like this. So let me show you guys my view again, because I've done this before. Yeah, I know, it's so pretty. Yeah, crazy. So much is happening right now. The lighting here is off. I have dinner. Like, the dinner is for 8. It's past 8 right now. I am over blushing my face. First of all, I came back so late. Vlogging in London is really like harder than all. This is my dress. I need someone to help me corset the back. There's no one to help me do it. Anything that could possibly go wrong is going wrong right now, and it makes me think that this is not the time for eyeliner. But I really like my eyes. I'm wearing like the Chanel, like 2 Chanel palettes and some bronzer literally on my eyes. Just let's get ready. Place anything, but I've been wearing a lot of red and I'm really loving it. So let me just like get ready with me, okay? Do I wanted something like new? Oh, this is pretty. This is pretty. This was a really good buy. God, I love like feeling pretty, being a girl, you know, making myself look good, you know, like there's just nothing like it. I promise you, I'm going through the worst week. I make myself look real good and I'm better. Also, this wig is making me realize that I maybe need to make some of my wigs tighter, because this is giving like, can you see the closure? Guys, this is a closure, it's not a frontal. Okay, I'm talking too much. I need to get an Uber, but the location I'm staying is really good. Ubers come very quick here. So if I'm not ready to go, requesting an Uber is more of a disaster. So something. Yeah, God. Like, I feel like doing things in London is just like a bit like so stressful. Of course, my go-to lip combo, the YSL lipstick. I wanna like take you guys out at least today. Okay, I'm supposed to have taken you guys out since, but I just keep forgetting. Arami body oil in shade, in gold oil rather, in Paradise. Just like a little bit, because I gotta shine, you know. Oh, okay. You know what? Let me stop focusing on like looking super pretty and focus on meeting my friend, so that we do not lose our reservation, you know. Oh god, my friend really cares about hair. I feel like she's gonna tell me, oh, you didn't comb out the curls, you didn't do this, you didn't do that. I'm just a girl, like who's gonna help me like get corseted? Let me see, I'll just do what I can. Oh, okay, it's okay. So you guys can see the waist is tiny now, but the bust is not as tiny. So I'm just gonna put this in a knot and go to dinner. I'll put this in a knot. I like to talk to myself when I'm thinking through things, like, sorry. I'm gonna put this in a knot. I really like my makeup. What do you guys think? I'm gonna put this in a knot and then put all this rock and then request. Yeah, this is not done right. That one I'm sure about. Oh god, oh god. Okay, now this is like dropping through my dress. Oh, the rope. Man, wearing corset, like, oh god. Ah! I'm so stressed, guys. I'm so stressed. Okay, I think I just found a way to like shove it in, and I'm just gonna wear shoes, get to dinner, and then we'll figure out everything else. Yeah, my dress is not doing what it needs to do right now, so let's go. Heading out like this. I'll see you guys when I get to dinner, because today is just a bit too chaotic for my liking. Oh god. Okay, bye. London has come to an end. About to check out and head back to Lagos. Literally obsessed with these layers. If you have a wig and you go abroad, go to the Dominican salon. Let them give you like real good layers. I really loved the hotel that I actually stayed at. Let me show you guys the name in case you guys want to come. I'll also show you the reception and other things. The hotel has a rooftop, has like, I was not around to be going everywhere. You get the gist.
But you never loved someone. But you never loved somebody like I just did. But you always hurt the one.